Hi everybody! Eel is a creature that can live in both freshwater and seas. It is a type of fish with a long and snake-like body. Most of the time, those who see it may think it's a snake. Eel is very popular, especially in East Asian countries. In this video, we'll talk about the cultivation and factory processing of eel. Please subscribe to our channel and like the video. Eel, a commercially imported species, is grown and consumed in many different countries. Eel production is done by catching young fish from natural environments and growing them in breeding facilities. In this method, juvenile eels are captured during migration and transferred to rearing ponds. Private networks are used during this process. Many factors need to be controlled for eel farming, such as appropriate water temperature, salinity, and oxygen levels. Eel breeding farms are usually located in fresh water. These farms are designated to accommodate all stages of eel life cycle. The process of raising eel is complex and difficult. Eel farms help meet the growth demand for eels worldwide. Cultivation time varies from species to species and cultivation method. It usually takes between 1 to 3 years. Eel food is specially formulated to ensure healthy and rapid growth of eels. Eel food contains all the nutrients including protein, fat, carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals. Feeding is an important factor in eel farming. Eels can be fed at any time of the day, but are usually fed twice, in the morning and in the evening. Many factors need to be controlled in eel farming. Without control, this can lead to errors and undesirable things. Eel farmers ship their products to factories by various methods. One of these methods is live transportation. Live shipping ensures that eels are delivered fresh and alive. However, it is more expensive and complicated than other methods. The other method is cold transportation. Eel is transported in ice-chilled boxes or containers. This method is cheaper and less complicated than live shipping. However, the freshness and vitality of eels are lower than when transported live. The eel factory processing process may vary depending on the type and final product. Eels are delivered to the factory live or frozen. It is washed in running water and its scales are cleaned. The intestines and internal organs of the eels are removed. Fillets are processed by a variety of methods, including smoking, cooking, frying, or marinating. Processed products are packaged and stored refrigerated or frozen. In this factory, you'll see all processes are done automatically. The manual thing is just to line up the eels on the stand. Eel is a food rich in protein and omega-3 fatty acids. It has an important place in Asian and European cuisine. Omega-3 fatty acids in eel help improve brain function and strengthen memory. I would be happy if those who had eaten eel before write in the comments.